The world may be slowing down, but we aren't. The COVID-19 pandemic has drastically affected all facets of our lives, from the hold it has taken on small businesses to production levels to altering all daily routines. But here at Wepco, we're facing this chaos head-on and utilizing this time to impact our communities in all the ways that we can, like we always have when it's needed most. Unemployment has skyrocketed since March, but Wepco has only grown, bringing on 12 new team members since that time. Our team is committed to safety, whether at home or on the floor. We've met the dire need for personal protective equipment by making thousands of face shields and have donated hundreds of them to our frontline heroes. We are assisting in the effort to reopen businesses and keep essential workers safe by using our expertise in plastic to create reopening kits that include barriers for social distancing and safety. We've offered daily STEM activities for children while they're home on our social channels, offering them a chance to keep at least one thing constant right now: their curious creativity.